In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of your Wix site. This is a crucial skill to have, especially if you've made changes to your site that you're unhappy with, or if something went awry during an update. Let's dive into the process without further ado. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, providing you with the tools to edit, manage, and fine-tune every detail of your site. Once you're on the Wix website editor, your focus should be on the task at hand, which is restoring a previous version of your site. Next, you'll need to look for and click on the Site button. This button is your portal to all the detailed settings and options you have for managing your website. It's easily accessible in the editor's main menu, designed to help you navigate to deeper functionalities, including site history. After clicking Site, you're going to want to locate and click on Site History. This is your personal archive where every single saved state of your site is stored. It's like a time machine for your website, allowing you to peek into and restore versions from your site's past. Once you're in the Site History section, select Go to Site History. This link allows you to explore an even more detailed view of your website's history. Here you'll find different versions of your site, listed chronologically. It's designed to provide you with a straightforward timeline of saved versions, making it easy to pinpoint exactly when and where things were working smoothly. In the Site History view, you'll then choose a specific site history. Take your time to browse through the list. It's important to select the version that aligns best with what you want to restore. This step is all about identifying which past version you want to return to. Once you've identified the desired version, click on the arrow to the right of the Site History entry. This will give you additional options and details about that particular version, ensuring you are confident in your choice before proceeding. Now you'll move on to restoring the chosen version. Look for and click on the Restore button. This is the point of no return, so double-check that you've selected the correct version. The Restore button is typically easy to spot and offers a straightforward directive. Finally, confirm your action by clicking on Restore again. This additional step acts as a safety net, ensuring that you truly wish to revert to the selected version. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your site is now being restored to the previous version of your choice. And there you have it. Your site is restored. Remember, these steps are important for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your site, so feel confident knowing you can always return your site to a previous state whenever necessary.